In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Boden Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Boden Black Friday deals. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website, which is called blackfriday.com. And right here, as you can see, we have a list some promo codes and promotions and deals that you can use for some discounts. You can also scroll through these pages right here, and you can just go forward and look out for the best offer for you. And also, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the other promotions right here. Just let me go back a little, real quick. So right here, as you can see, we have this voucher with $15. So for example, if you want to get this one, simply tap right here on this button where it says check price, and after that, you'll be redirected to the website in order to get the discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called wildealo.co.uk. And right here, as you can see, we also have some offers and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 25% discount, simply tap right here where it says get code. And here is the promo code. You can simply copy this one and you can use it in order to get a 25% discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.